Oh, something isn't right. I don't feel good at all. Oh no, this can't be. Oh man, I gotta fix this. I'll be right back. Make sure to leave this video a like. Thanks. Jumping right in an immersion blender cup or a regular mixer, add 1/2 cup of apple juice, followed by 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of cooked sweet potato, 1 cup of baby spinach, and 2 bananas. Blend to reduce volume and then add 2 more bananas. Blend thoroughly, and then serve fresh or refrigerate immediately. This recipe is really versatile, perfect for lunch or breakfast, and you can add additional things like pitted dates, protein powder, and so on. Your POLYJUICE potion smoothie is done. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric. I create nerdy vegetarian lifestyle videos. I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss another recipe. For more Harry Potter inspired recipes, check out either my vegan butterbeer or my leaky cauldron wrap recipe. I'll put those up on the screen now. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.